Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get mutated golden egg in Grow a Garden new update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, if you want to get mutation, you just need to wait for the egg to be mutated because it's like the other plants in Grow a Garden. It will get the mutation from the weather. Or if you want to make the mutation faster, you can use the mutation spray. Wait, let me use my mutation spray. I'm going to spray, for example, this one. And I'm going to click on the golden egg. Wait, let me spray it on this egg. This one. Okay. Yeah, it's already mutated guys, and of course the one with the mutation will have the higher value. Let's compare the value. I'm going to get this one, this original golden egg, with this one, with the chilled, windstruck, and then burned and moonlit. Let's sell it. I'm going to sell the original one. Wait, I'm going to search for my golden egg. Golden egg. Okay. This one is the original one. I'm going to click I want to sell this. Okay. That's so crazy. And this is with the mutation. And yeah, it's really good. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.